Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So it's a QVC addiction special today. I couldn't resist this. I have liked Hotel Chocolat or Chocolat, however you prefer to say it. Since it actually started, I used to be a customer of Chocolate Express before it became Hotel Chocolat. I have been a member of their chocolate tasting club, which has evolved. I have been probably one of the early adopters, but I never bought a Velvetiser and I didn't have any intention of buying one until blooming QVC did a Today Special Value and I couldn't resist it. All of this for about 80 something pounds, but I think it's normally 110 on QVC, and I think they said you were saving about 140 compared to actual Hotel Chocolat if you were to buy it individually on the website. So this, again, I got it super bargain, but also in the easy pays. So it feels like it's a real bargain because you're only paying about £28 a month for 3 months. So that is why I invested. So I got the Velvetiser, which makes this super thick luxury hot chocolate. I got one of the everything selections. This comes in the Taste Special Value, so we'll go through that. And then the Cafe Latte selection. So I'm now going to unbox it and let you see exactly what's in it. So first of all, you have got the actual hot chocolates for the Velvetiser. This is one of everything, obviously, to try it. It might be more than one, it's 10 servings. Salted caramel, hazelnut praline, orange mint, ginger chili, vanilla white, milky 50%, classic 70%, dark 85%. And it's actually very finely grated hotel chocolate, so I cannot wait for that. Then we've got this, which I've not tried. It's a cafe latte, so simply latte, and it's mellow coffee notes with a creamy silken finish, so we'll try that. They showed you on QVC that you could actually use your chocolates, you could double them up. You could mix two together if you wanted different flavour combinations. They also said that you could make, with your Velvetiser, you could make different milkshakes because you could add, once you've melted the chocolate, you could add to ice cream. You could make cocktails because you could add in your Baileys or your brandies or things like that. And then once you've actually created it, you could then pour it over ice, use your cocktail shaker. Oh, I was totally taken in. You got your choices of the copper, the white, or the graphite grey, and I went for the grey because I think copper can look great at first and then it can start to go all fingerprinty. So I went for the grey, so I'm going to open it up now and we'll see how it looks. I must say as well, the box is really nicely done. So as you can see, that's the front, the top, everything about it is just always so classy and makes you feel like you're having a very luxurious treat. So everything about it, I just think they always do a really nice job. And as you can see, you've got your Velvetiser, and they made it clear again, oh QVC, you work so well on me, that your cups are actually designer and they're made to replicate a cocoa bean. So look, you've got the Hotel Chocolat. Yeah, Andrew Wicks designed them. So that is in the design of a cocoa bean. There's no handle because you're meant to hold it with both hands and really get the heat from it and just enjoy the experience. I feel like I could sell it to you. It worked very well on me. Then you've got your instruction manual, your registration, and welcome to your Velvetiser. Explains to you about the quality of the chocolate that you're getting and also talks you through the different flavours. Look at that. I mean, I'll be honest with you, there's not one that I won't enjoy trying. I don't know if I'll double up on them though, because I don't want to feel as if I've overdone it. I like to enjoy my treats, but not overdo it. And then as you can see here, we've got the actual Velvetiser itself. So let's get it open, get it onto the worktop and try and make a hot chocolate. Right, so I've gave it its initial clean. It tells you exactly how to do that in the instructions. And now I'm going to try the first hot chocolate. And we've selected the mint. So 70% dark meets cooling Tasmanian peppermint, 1 serving. So sounds quite good. Now it says 220 mils of milk into your Velvetiser. So I'll quickly go and measure out 220 and I'll be back in a sec. Right, we're back. So I've got the 220 mils of milk. Now, apparently you put this in first and it's got a bit of a magnet, so it clicks in. Now, we'll just bring the camera over a little bit so you can see inside. Perfect. So there's your 220. Now that's interesting because that does take you up to the max. I wondered if it would, and it does. So you then add your hot chocolate and close the lid. Now, if you can see here, it is literally powdered chocolate. From what they said on the demo, it is like shavings from a block of chocolate. So you could tip this straight into your face, which would be lovely, but I'm not going to do that. And it smells lovely, it smells really minty. And then put your lid on, and then you are just going to press the start button, so make sure it's on at the wall. Press start. And you might not be able to hear it. I wonder, see if I just very carefully do this. If you can see, you're not meant to, but look at that. So that's what's happening, and then it's going to very gently heat up. But I'll pop the lid back on, and let's see it again in, I think it's about 2.5 minutes, and we'll see how it looks. Right, that's it, I had its 2.5 minutes. The first thing I did was unplug it because I'm so unsure. So can you see that's it all melted in? So it went by very quickly. Now because I'm left-handed, I'm turning it round, and I can see it's got a very slight pourer at each side, so they've obviously thought about left and right, which is good. Right, move that out of the way. So the theory is it should be a lovely thick chocolate. Well, I think it is, that looks good. And again, I believe it's been measured out to fit perfectly. That's quite a lot. I'll leave it there. There's a tiny wee bit left, but I don't want to be too cocky with the first attempt. They did say you could double it up, so see if you wanted it super indulgent, I could imagine that'd be a really thick hot chocolate, but that's lovely. So first attempt, thought I'd share it with you, because if I messed it up, at least you would know the pros and cons, but I think that'd be really hard to mess up. And then you can see here that you will have to clean that out, but they've explained exactly what you do, just the same method as when you first get it. A little bit of water, a little bit of washing up liquid, and away you go. So hope you found that interesting. Let me know if you've got one or if you're tempted to get one. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you again soon.